When I came to Canada for the first time, my surrounding was changed completely. Everything was new and I had to manage everything. There were many things which I was not aware of. When I came to Sheridan, it was very much welcoming. I just went to the office and asked the people and they were so much helpful. The environment here is like very inclusive for all the people. It's a homely feeling. I wanted to get included in the community by working for it. I am currently serving as a board of director at Sheridan Student Union, and I am also working as a student ambassador at Sheridan College. And they also provided me a number of supports in finding a job like co-op. It has given me so much opportunities. I can engage with different kind of people. I can make connections. Sheridan has changed me completely. I am a different person and a better person, I would say.